Hello, good evening, everyone. Today I am at the reimagined and relaunched restaurant called as Le Cirque in Hotel Leela Palace in the heart of Delhi, and where I have put together a wonderful wine dinner for the members of my club called as Wine Guilds India. And today it's my honor to present to you all the flagship wine of Chateau Kirwan, which is a Grand Cru Classe estate classified as third growth in the historic 1855 Bordeaux classification of wines. Now, Chateau Kirwan is located in Margaux appellation on Bordeaux's left bank, and it is bound by Atlantic Ocean onto its west and Garonne River onto its east, and these two vast water bodies have a moderating effect on climate in this area, which fares very well for viticulture. The soil in Chateau Kirwan has evolved over millions of years, and today it is a mix of gravel and clay. Now, gravel in Chateau Kirwan can go as deep as 6 meters at places, and which forces the roots of the grapevine to dig that much deeper in search of nutrients. And this is something which creates concentrated and high quality grapes. And when we talk of clay, it is present in the subsoil in the vineyards, and it retains water, and which means that the water needs of grapevines are met even in hot and dry summer months. Now, there are 4 grapes which go into making of Chateau Kirwan. First is the Cabernet Sauvignon, which provides the structural backbone to this wine. Then we have Merlot, which adds a lot of roundedness and suppleness to this wine, making it more approachable. And after that, we have Cabernet Franc, which provides an aromatic lift to this wine. And finally, Petit Verdot, which adds to the deeper color of this wine. And all these 4 grapes, they blend harmoniously to create this wonderful wine. Now, very interestingly, Chateau Kirwan was visited by Thomas Jefferson way back in 1787, and Thomas Jefferson, as we all know, was one of the founding fathers of United States of America, and he was also an avid wine enthusiast and a very learned one. And in his notes, he mentioned Chateau Kirwan to be one of the finest wines of Bordeaux. So here we are, everyone, about to savor the same wine which Thomas Jefferson enjoyed 2 centuries ago. So I'm really looking forward to dinner to start, and I'll be talking more about it in times to come. Cheers.